Welcome back to Autocars Play. If you're a fan of smart design, everyday practicality, and that smooth Toyota reliability, then you're really going to enjoy this one. Today, we're diving deep into a vehicle that's been making quiet waves in the compact SUV world, the brand new 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross. And trust me, there's more to this car than meets the eye. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you might just be considering this as your next ride. At first glance, the 2026 Corolla Cross doesn't scream for attention, but that's its secret weapon. Toyota has refined its design language to be clean and confident. The front grille is slightly more pronounced this year, giving it a bolder face, while the sleeker LED headlamps and updated bumper lines sharpen its profile. It's not flashy, but it's tasteful, and that's exactly the kind of presence that grows on you every time you see it in your driveway. Now under the hood, you've got some interesting upgrades. Toyota continues with its 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine for the gas version, but the hybrid model is the one to watch. It's powered by Toyota's fifth-generation hybrid system, making it more efficient and a bit punchier in terms of response. The ride feels smooth and planted, and for a vehicle of its size, the Corolla Cross handles tight corners and urban traffic with surprising ease. Inside the cabin, Toyota has taken a more premium direction without hiking the price tag. You'll find soft-touch materials on the dash and door panels, an upgraded infotainment system with a standard 10.5-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and even an available digital gauge cluster. It's smart, simple, and intuitive, the way it should be. Oh, and yes, Toyota has finally listened and included more USB-C ports, better sound insulation, and improved voice controls. Space-wise, the Corolla Cross still shines. Rear seat passengers get decent legroom, and the cargo area is one of the most generous in its class. Fold those rear seats flat, and you've got a seriously flexible space for everything from weekend trips to IKEA runs. Whether you're a solo commuter, a young family, or someone just looking for a practical daily SUV, it hits that sweet spot. Toyota's safety suite is stronger than ever in 2026, with the latest version of Toyota's Safety Sense. That means you're getting pre-collision braking, adaptive cruise control, lane tracing assist, and more, standard across the lineup. These are features you'd normally pay extra for in competitors, but Toyota delivers them with confidence, and here's the long secret: this isn't just a crossover built on Corolla bones. It's Toyota's attempt to redefine what affordable can actually look and feel like in the modern SUV world. Quietly efficient, thoughtfully designed, and priced to undercut many of its rivals, the 2026 Corolla Cross might not dominate headlines, but it dominates hearts. Thanks for watching Autocars Play. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if the Corolla Cross has caught your eye. Catch you in the next ride. Would you like a matching voiceover style or visuals idea to go along with this script?